Hey, what's up YouTube? Do a quick demonstration of these kitchen shears to cut up some chicken wings. I got these on Amazon. The link's going to be in the description if you want to click it and check it out. And you know, by the YouTube cooking scale here, if you got no gloves on, you're not that serious. 2 gloves on, it's real serious. So we're somewhere in between on this one. These are pretty cool though. They you know, cut chicken up real well. And you can also, I don't know what the point of this is, but you can actually unscrew this little knob here. And you actually got a knife you could use if you were so inclined. Don't think I would ever use that, but it is there. And then these are also dishwasher safe, which is awesome. And also spring loaded here. So just wanted to demonstrate cutting up some chicken wings. And not that using a knife is broken, but this to me is actually a lot easier. You get in there in the joint. The spring assist really helps. And this would take me forever with a knife, but I'll be through this entire thing in a few minutes here. But anyway, I just want to show you guys how good these are. Super easy to use. And if you want to see me test anything else out, like whole chickens or anything else, let me know and I'll make another video on that. But you know, if you do want to, like I said, check these out, links in the description. And I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting these up, and I'll throw them in the dishwasher to wash them, and then eat me some dinner. So if you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.